she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay, I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'd let me. Her laugh, she hates but I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Oh, you know I'd never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. The way you are. The way you are. Girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Please at this left side of the table, and then our 18 roses and 18 candles at the left. So ang ito para habang naghihintay ka.
Nakira mo daw. Musik mama.
Thank you so much for the palakpakan po natin. Buenas noches, mi amigas. Buenas noches, mi amigos. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my distinct pleasure and great honor to be your master of ceremony for tonight's celebration. I guess everybody are all settled. If we wanna try to put things back, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our guests, visitors, relatives, classmates of the debutants, and friends. Tonight, we will witness a cute little baby into a beautiful and blooming babe. Anyways, without further and so much ado, may I request everybody to please rise and help me welcome and congratulate our debutant together with their parents, Mrs. Rose Mata and Mr. Ernie Mata. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand of applause please to our debutant, Miss Lizzie Pearl Mata. a very beautiful, alluring, glamorous, a big hand of applause, please. Thank you so much. Please be seated. Ma'am and sir,
May mga bata din.
Ina, may gabi sa tanan dali. Welcome sa party. Salamat ako. Nanganyo mo dili. Please, mga bata lang.
welcome sa tanan.
May gabi.
Dahil creatives na. Sige, sige lang. Gusto mo, gusto niya pa. Istorya. Okay. Dalang salamat din sa tanan nga nakakaroon. Welcome mong tanan sa 18th anniversary ni Disney. Ay, birthday! Sorry. Birthday! Yeah, ganay. Karang gabi una. Mag-enjoy ta. Sa birthday ni Disney sa ikadjutsu niya karang gabi una. Kailangan na mag-enjoy. Kanya, nakamaniyo sa kawa nga gusto daw nila na akong Sige, talaw eh.
Sige na, welcome talaga.
Di ba, kinakaman na yun daw nga. Wapo daw itong nasa class na kung hotel ba, asa. Pero, wala ko nagsunod. Kaya kung gusto, malipay ang mga nadiri sa akong silingan o mga kapyaping na nakaroon. Kaya wapo na ko dahil na kaya kung wato ko sa daing lugar, sa pamamasahe ng daan, ba't nagkalikat ko? Kaya nakambuli ka. Basta welcome mo tan.
Ay, salamat.
Mayong gabi sa tan o wala pa. Dai, happy birthday. I hope you have so many birthdays to come. Tama ba? Okay, okay. Salamat. Salamat sa tan. Okay. The Bible says that, ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open. For he who asks will receive. He who seek will find. And he who will knock, the door will be opened. We all know that young girls wanted and wish to have a simple celebration on their debut because it happens only during on their 18th birthday, right, girls? 13, yes. But more special when it is a grand celebration, di ba? Kaya very happy kita pag mayroon tayong celebration na kasi minsan na mag-18 ang mga katulad natin. But the bottom line of that is you are independent and mature enough to do what is right from wrong. Di ba, girls? Huwag natin kalimutan na naging 18 na tayo at saka maging pabaya na pariwara. Be aware na we have our responsibilities na kailangan nating who makes her more beautiful and fascinating with his perfect blend of makeup. May I request Mr. Michael Ongon to please stand for you to acknowledge and recognize. Where's Mr. Michael? Created and designed by Pinby from Japan Boutique, courtesy of Mother Rose Mata. And this creation inspired with modern Japanese creation. May I request Mrs. and Madam, thank you so much. Palapakan naman natin ang ating parents ni Pearl. At saka, syempre si Father. Palapakan naman natin siya. Wow, di ba? Galing pa ng Japan yan. As our Mata's family and relatives. And also, to our organizer and planner of this celebration, to Mr. Alex Ongon. Thank you so much. Palapakan naman po natin. tradition. It is what called quinceañera. The origin of debut in Spain and Mexico were done when the girl is 15 years of age. But due to American influence, all debut in Philippines are done during events and a video presentation from her childhood to teenage. Before we proceed to our infant roses, may I request Mr. Ernie Mata to speak some message before he dance her daughter. And infant roses, may I
Hey, Day. Happy birthday, Day. Manginaot ko, Day, nga sa gyapon, ang imong ipakita sa mga mayong pag tagad sa mga ginikanan. Manginaot ko na mga ipadayon. Ayaw ka ng basig nga tigulong na biyami. Basig nga po sa panahon nga wala lang ito na mga ginikanan. Basig yung pabayaan ay putang. Ano ay kasama? Aday, happy birthday. Thank you.
Sir Ernie? Kunin niyo po si Pearl. Wow, palapakan po natin. The first dance. roses. The lovely roses among the rest. Charot lang. Charot lang, Dora. Ate, ayaw pala big love you. Masig ma-carry over si ate. Narito pala si Chomsy Soap Soap. Yahoo! Wow! Eklabush! Eklante! Bongga pasok sa banga! Dapat nabutaw niyo siya sa mga 18 candles na malikin siyang lista.
I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. You said hello. I turned to go. Something in your
Okay, nagkaroon na akong lola. Next on the list, Miko, Marca. A big hand of applause, please. Kini, inuot niya 18 roses with me. Wow! Ay, my God! Ano yan? ID? Identity crisis. Charing lang. A big hand of applause, please.
lost you forever.
Next on the list, ang pinakagwapong nakilala ko, Jesper Sardiron. A big hello applause please sa aking crush, Charot! Naipahayag ko na din ang aking damdamin, ladies and gentlemen. Tomorrow at tungo sa kasal ha, you're all invited.
Those laughters and tears we shed for years.
Sulitin mo, pre.
Memories that we had for so long to you. Now you've gone away. You left me all alone. Go on, do what you want. Please don't leave me.
Mr.